All right, if you want to turn off Google Backup on your Android phone, we can do that through Settings. And where exactly you'll find the menu for backups depends on your phone. On a Samsung phone, like mine, you'll go to Settings, then Accounts and Backup. And under that, we'll see a section for Google Drive Backup. That's the menu you're looking for. On Google Pixel, stock Android, or Motorola, you'd go to Settings, then System, then Backup. On some phones, you might instead go to Settings, then Google, and find Backup within the Google menu. Once you're in the Backup menu, it'll look more or less like this. There's no single one-tap off button here, but if you tap into these categories, you can toggle Backup off from there. Let's look at Photos and Videos first. This goes through Google Photos, so it'll either take you to a menu right there within the Google Photos app, or if it takes you into the app itself and kinda just lands you in the main gallery, you can tap your profile icon, then go to Backup, and you can just turn off Backup from there. So that's the Photos and Videos part of our backup turned off. When I go back, I'll see Photos and Videos and Backup and Other Data listed separately. And on some phones, you might have additional categories as well. So just like we did with Photos, I'll now just go to the Other category to turn that off. There's a main toggle here you can switch off, or if you scroll down, you can also turn off Backup for an individual category or a specific app. So let's say I didn't want to back up anything from Instagram. I could just remove that from my backup list and keep everything else the same. Or if you'd rather just turn off the entire backup, you can use the main toggle for that. And that is how you turn off Google Backup on your Android phone. Click that like button if this video helped you and subscribe for more. Thanks all.